Hey guys, welcome to Tejo My Spiritual Explorer. This is my very first tarot reading video on YouTube channel. I hope if there is any mistake, you all will understand. Chalo, let's start with the pick a card reading today. There are three piles in front of you. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Ask a question and let's see what angels have the guidance for you. Close your eyes, take a deep breath and choose the pile that attracts you the most. Let's start with pile 1. So, pile 1 is reconsider, wait, and compromise. So, the cards are advising you to reconsider. Reconsider what you are asking for. This can be about love, career, an important project, or any other aspect of life. For example, you have chosen one field and you're not sure about that. So, angels are asking you to rethink about it and go through your options again. Angels are asking you to keep patience and think twice before making any decision, or else you might have to compromise in your life or with your dreams. This is especially true if your decision is going to have an impact on others' life too. Like if you choose a job and you have to relocate to other place and your family is going to suffer, then you need to find out other options that could suit you as well as for your family. Okay. So rethink and plan carefully. Wait for the right time and then execute your plan or share it with your loved ones when you think they are ready to understand and accept the same. I would also suggest you maintain a right balance between your dreams and family, between your emotions and practicality. If you do not reconsider, then you will have to compromise in one or the other area of your life to make your plan successful. And trust me, you won't like it. Okay? So think carefully, reconsider your options, and have a little patience, and then make a decision. Okay? So at the same time, you could be also happy and your loved ones too. So, all the best. Next, pile 2. Pile 2. Mm, little bit disheartening if the question is related to romance, maybe. The card says it all. There is something better in store for you than you have planned for yourself. If the question is related to love, then have patience and you will find someone who is worth the wait. This special someone could be your twin flame or a higher spiritual connection. So I must say, you have to wait. You have to keep a little patience. Do not hurry to find someone special. Do not, I repeat, do not compromise. Just because you feel that the clock is ticking and the time is running out, it's never too late. Really, it's never too late to be loved and find true love. It might sound boring, but believe me, it's never too late. You should find someone who really loves you, right? And not the one who is faking it. Anyways, if this question is related to any other topic like a job or a project, the answer still remains the same. There is something better for you in the near future. Okay. The universe has more better plans for you than you made for yourself. Trust the universe. Surrender to the divine. Okay? All the best. So, pile number three. The cards are yes, not the right time, abundance. Oh, it's a yes, and still it's not the right time. The answer to your question is a big yes. Yes, you are on a right track. Yes, you have chosen the right path. You might have felt that if it's a yes, why aren't things working out? Why do you still have to wait for it? The answer to all your question is that this is not the right time. Everything that happens for a reason. Sometimes we do not have patience, and that's why we are unable to see a reason behind it. Sorry. If you ask me what could be the reason, the card suggests that maybe you're being protected from the wrong people. If it's about a plan or work situation, your plan might get executed now or your dreams might come true, but nothing will last long. And if you want your plans to last longer for a longer period, then you have to wait because this is not the right time. Okay. So, on the other hand, the universe plan is to give you what you're asking for in abundance. You might not know your worth yet, but the universe knows it and it knows that you deserve more and better. It wants to end your struggle, so you need to wait. Have a little more patience and wait till this phase ends. So, all the best.